The Chevrolet Silverado has long been one of America's favorite pickup trucks, a reliable workhorse that's earned its spot in driveways and job sites across the country. But not all things about it are so perfect, starting from the lack of overall refinement, quality to value proposition, and the fact that this is a very competitive segment. Here are 7 reasons why you should not buy 2025 Chevrolet Silverado. Number 7. Ride comfort and handling. The 2025 Silverado continues to impress with its commanding presence and undeniable capability on the road. However, professional reviews consistently note that its ride quality and handling characteristics don't quite match the refinement found in some key competitors. On perfectly smooth highways, the Silverado performs admirably, but the moment you encounter rougher surfaces, you might notice the difference. The suspension system, while certainly adequate for most driving situations, can create what reviewers call a fidgety ride on less than perfect roads. This means that during daily driving, especially on roads with frequent bumps or undulations, the Silverado might not deliver the same level of comfort you'd find in rivals like the Ram 1500, which has earned praise for its more sophisticated ride quality. The steering has also been described as heavier and vaguer compared to the Ford F-150, resulting in a driving experience that some find less precise, particularly when navigating tight spaces or winding roads. This doesn't mean the Silverado handles poorly, it's still a capable truck by any measure, but if you're looking for the most refined driving experience in the segment, you might find more satisfaction elsewhere. For truck owners who spend hours behind the wheel or frequently travel with family, these ride characteristics could impact overall satisfaction. That said, many loyal Silverado owners appreciate its honest truck-like feel and consider its handling characteristics to be exactly what they expect from a proper full-size pickup. Number 6. Interior quality. Inside the 2025 Silverado, you'll find a thoroughly modern cabin that's certainly functional and well-equipped with technology. But if you're shopping for lower or mid-range trims, you might notice that the interior materials and overall finish don't quite match the premium feel offered by some competitors, particularly the Ram 1500, which has set a high bar for interior quality in this segment. While the Silverado's cabin is perfectly adequate for work-oriented use, those looking for a more premium experience might notice that even mid-level trims like the LT Trail Boss don't deliver the same level of refinement that you might expect given their price point. Several reviewers have pointed out that when a Silverado approaches the $70,000 mark, the interior doesn't quite deliver the luxury experience that price might suggest. Even the leather upholstery in certain trims has been criticized for not matching the quality found in higher-end models like the High Country or in GMC's Sierra Denali variants. Small details like the doors feeling somewhat light when closing contribute to a perception that interior quality could be improved. It's worth noting that Chevy has made significant strides with the Silverado's interior in recent years, and the higher-end trims like the High Country do offer a much more premium experience. Many Silverado enthusiasts appreciate the straightforward, function-first approach to the interior design, valuing durability and ease of use over luxury touches that might not hold up to the demands of real-world truck use. Number 5. Towing and payload capacity. The 2025 Silverado certainly offers impressive capabilities when it comes to hauling and towing, with figures that will satisfy the vast majority of truck owners. However, buyers who need to regularly push the limits of what a half-ton truck can handle should note that the Silverado's maximum towing and payload capacities consistently fall slightly short of the class-leading Ford F-150. This difference isn't massive. We're talking about relatively small margins. But for those who routinely tow at or near maximum capacity, every pound matters. The F-150's advantage in payload capacity is largely attributed to its use of high-strength, military-grade aluminum body panels, which reduce weight without sacrificing durability, allowing it to haul more cargo. Even when comparing specific engine configurations, the Silverado sometimes finds itself slightly behind key competitors. That said, the Silverado still offers very competitive capabilities across its lineup, with most configurations providing more than enough capacity for typical truck use. For the average truck owner who occasionally tows a boat, camper, or utility trailer, the Silverado's capabilities will prove more than sufficient. In fact, many real-world Silverado owners report excellent towing experiences, appreciating the truck's stability and confidence when pulling heavy loads, proving that raw numbers don't always tell the complete story of real-world performance. Number 4. Fuel economy. In today's market where fuel efficiency is increasingly important to buyers, the 2025 Silverado offers a range of engine options with reasonable fuel economy. However, a key limitation is the absence of a hybrid powertrain option, which puts it at a disadvantage compared to competitors like the Ford F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid and the Toyota Tundra Hybrid, both of which deliver significantly better fuel economy in city driving. While the Silverado does offer a diesel engine option that provides excellent efficiency for long-distance highway driving, the lack of a hybrid alternative means that buyers who do mostly city driving driving miss out on potential fuel savings. The Ford F-150 Power Boost, for example, achieves notably better city MPG ratings than most of the Silverado's gasoline options. Even when comparing non-hybrid gasoline engines, the Silverado's fuel economy generally falls in the middle of the pack, slightly behind some competitors. The 6.2-liter V8, which many buyers choose for its impressive power, requires premium fuel, an additional cost consideration compared to rivals that offer similar performance on regular gasoline. For Silverado enthusiasts, the familiar engine lineup includes proven options with known reliability and performance characteristics. Many buyers find that the real-world efficiency of these powertrains, particularly the popular 5.3-liter V8, provides a satisfactory balance of power and economy for their needs, even without hybrid technology. Number 3. Reliability considerations. When investing in a new truck, reliability is understandably a top priority for most buyers. The 2025 Silverado has received positive reliability ratings from some sources, including J.D. Power, suggesting that Chevrolet has addressed many issues from previous models. However, a broader look at professional reviews and owner feedback from recent model years reveals some potential areas of concern. Reports of transmission issues, including rough shifting and shuddering with the 8-speed automatic in earlier models of the current generation, might give some buyers pause. Engine-related concerns have also been documented, including lifter failures in V8 engines and electrical system issues. It's important to note that these problems don't affect all vehicles, and many Silverado owners report years of trouble-free operation. While the 2025 model likely incorporates improvements and fixes for known issues, potential buyers should research whether these historical problems have been fully addressed. Longtime Silverado owners often comment on the truck's overall durability and longevity when properly maintained, suggesting that despite some documented issues, the platform has proven dependable for many. Number 2. Pricing and value proposition. The 2025 Silverado offers competitive pricing within the full-size pickup segment with a range of trims to suit different budgets and preferences. However, several professional reviews suggest that at certain price points, particularly in mid-range and higher trims, the features, interior quality, and overall ownership experience might not align perfectly with the cost. For example, mid-level trims like the Z71 Trail Boss have been described as relatively pricey relative to their interior finish and equipment level. At nearly $80,000 for some higher-end configurations, some reviewers have noted that the interior doesn't deliver the ultra-luxurious experience that price point might suggest. This doesn't mean the Silverado isn't a good value. For many buyers, particularly those interested in base and lower mid trims, it offers a solid package of capabilities and features at a fair price. In fact, some comparisons suggest the Silverado has a lower starting price than the Ram 1500 and offers better value at the entry level. The value equation always depends on individual priorities and which specific configurations are being compared. Many loyal Silverado customers find excellent value in the truck, especially when considering its proven durability and strong resale value in the used market. Number 1. IIHS Crash Test Performance. Perhaps the most significant consideration for potential 2025 Silverado buyers comes from recent safety evaluations. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety updated moderate overlap front crash test results revealed that the Silverado Crew Cab received a poor rating in this specific test, which simulates a common type of frontal collision. This result stands in contrast to some competitors, such as the Toyota Tundra Crew Cab, which achieved a good rating in the same test. It's worth noting that the Ford F-150 Crew Cab also received a poor rating in this evaluation, suggesting this may be an area where several trucks in the segment have room for improvement. Safety-conscious buyers might want to take this specific test result into consideration, particularly if frontal crash protection is a top priority. However, it's important to remember that this represents just one specific test scenario, and the Silverado still offers a comprehensive suite of active safety features and driver assistance technologies designed to help prevent accidents before they occur. Chevrolet has a strong record of addressing safety concerns, and many owners report feeling very secure in their Silverados. The truck's substantial size, high seating position, and available safety technology still make it a vehicle that many drivers trust to protect their families. Want to learn about Silverado's reliability issues? Check out this video about the biggest recall Silverado had in the last few years, which you can now see on the screen. From major engine issues to quality control flaws that compromise passenger safety, Chevy has been having a lot of things to deal with lately. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.